In this video, we'll be making this T-pipe in Blender. Add 2 cylinders to block out the basic shape. Make sure the vertex count is a multiple of the number of holes. Insert edge loops to even out the quads before using a boolean to join the 2 meshes. The T-pipe is symmetrical on all 3 axes, so I'll focus on this base unit and mirror it to build the rest. Here I'll redirect the edge flow by manually cutting in new lines, merging extra verts, and dissolving any edges we don't need. Got 2 triangles side by side, just cut right between them and collapse the edge. That usually cleans it up perfectly. Now mirror it in all directions to restore the pipe, then add a solidify modifier to give it some thickness. I'll extrude this face loop out a bit to build up that flange section. Bevel the vertices with 2 segments, then use loop tools circle to round them up. Now bridge the 2 circles at the front and back. That'll punch a hole right through. Hit Shift R to repeat it. Just symmetrize it right to left and double-check the mirror axis. The flange at the top is pretty much the same process as before. Now the mesh is done, it's time to mark sharp edges. I usually go with 60, which works well here. Don't forget to clean up your selections before moving on. With the edges selected, set bevel weight to 1. Then add a bevel modifier and switch the limit to weight. Now only those marked lines will be beveled. The shading is a bit off here. Let's fix it. Select faces with the same sides. Press Ctrl-T to triangulate, then Alt-J to revert to quads. Done. That's it for this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.